Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glambag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of March. And so if you want to know what I got in my Ipsy Glambags this month, then keep on watching. So guys, March is my birthday month and I'm super excited. I've got so many fun things planned this month. I feel like for this month is all about gratitude for me. Gratitude that we are already at 2,000 subscribers. Gosh, it has been quite a while. I'm just so thankful for everyone's support and just no matter how small, whether it's like 50 views to 3,000 views, to me, all of them are big and I'm super grateful for this opportunity. I get to do what I love, and not everyone has that opportunity where they just get to have fun and do their hobbies. And with all the other brands collaborations that I've had through the years, I'm just so thankful that they have trusted me in sharing their goodies and allowing me to show them to you guys. And so I'm just overall grateful, and because of that I have another giveaway this month. It is a Terry's Corner giveaway. Huge name brand items in this giveaway, and yeah, I cannot wait to show you guys what you could be winning. But you're here for the Ipsy unboxing. First off, this is the bag. It's empty now. I took out the glam bag already. Look what I did. I could not wait to open it that I just tore up the bag. The card and theme for this month is rewrite the rules. Women are a force to be reckoned with. Join us as we empower the women we know. Oh my gosh, March is Women's History Month. Let's admire the Ipsy Glam bag this month. So beautiful. I feel like March is when we pivot from like the cold season into spring. I love this. It definitely screams spring without it being like too hot for summer. You know what I mean? Look at this nice tassel right here. And what I love about the Ipsy Glam bags is that they are well made. They're so pretty to look at. All right, let's see what we have. First off, it is by Dermafirm. Again, if you guys are curious about Ipsy Glam bags, I'll have all the information in the description box below. Also, before we get started, I just want to say thank you to Ipsy for gifting all these goodies to me. The Ipsy Glam bag and the Boxycharm by Ipsy is 100% gifted. I am so thankful that I have been able to collab with this brand for so long, and I am just stocked. They keep me stocked when it comes to makeup and skincare. All right, so first off, this is the Soothing Repair Toning Serum by Dermafirm. Okay, I've never tried Dermafirm before, but when it comes to serums, toning and repairing, yes. Okay, next one is the Dazzle Me Get a Grip Setting Spray. I love the packaging in this one. I've never used this brand before, but setting spray, I'm not gonna say no to it, especially this little bottle right here is so travel friendly. And like I said, I'm going to be going on a fun adventure with not just my family, but also with friends from YouTube. And I cannot wait to share that experience with you all. Another item in here is the Shades by Shan San Francisco Life of the Party Vault 1. It is a eyeshadow quad. Now, I've only tried the setting spray from Shades by Shan, and I feel like it is one of my most favorite setting sprays of all time. I want to say it's up there with Urban Decay and all that. And it's a San Francisco brand, very near the city that I live in. I hope they open up a store soon because they have great, amazing products. Pretty neutral. I've been getting a lot of neutral eyeshadow quads from Ipsy in the last 3 or 4 months or so. I think that is the theme of the season. Just like burnt oranges, browns, a lot of brown, earthy tones. Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Exfoliant. So it's an exfoliator. I love to exfoliate my skin. I exfoliate at least at least twice a week. It makes for better makeup application and just helps with acne as well as impurities on the skin. And the last one, this one, guys, so excited about. This is a lip gloss in Blissful by Ofra. So I don't know if this is the full-size item or if it's the quad that's the full-size item. I don't know, but I'm excited for both. And this one, guys, has a nice little, oops, I pressed too hard. It has a nice little tint. So let me show you this. It's kind of like a blush color right there. It's almost like a nudie blush. So not bad. First impressions, it doesn't feel sticky. So that is everything in my Ipsy Glam bag. So guys, the pricing, if you want to sign up for an Ipsy Glam bag, it's all going to be in the description box below. Feel free to use my referral code. That would definitely help me out. Let's move on to the Boxycharm by Ipsy. Pricing is going to be over here. You can expect at least $125 worth of products in each box. Here is the box. I love it. I love the monochromatic pink to orange. Let's open her up. With the Boxycharm by Ipsy, you get a magazine. And again, the theme is rewriting the stars. Wait, no, rewrite the rules. First off, this is just calling me. This is how I open things, guys. Yeah. It's like some animal bit it. But I love these brushes. Oh my gosh. I will be putting one of these in a giveaway. Maybe one or two. It just depends. Because guys, you know, I love to put on makeup and I love to change up my brushes as well. This one I love because it's like nice and stiff, but also it's very kind of thin and compressed to where it is great for doing contours. So yeah, it just fits that corner, that perfect shape right underneath your cheekbones. So yeah, what is that baby hair? It's just bugging me. Anywho, this one looks like a highlighter brush, so you could go like this. Did I tell you guys what brand this is from? This is from SL Miss Glam. Oh, SL Miss Glam. Okay, I've heard that brand before. And then this one is more of an all-over powder. Oh no, it's a blush brush. Yeah, blush brush. So pretty. I love the diamond kind of like glitter right there. Next one is by Galactic Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub. Ooh, so we had like the travel size exfoliator. Now we have a more full-size exfoliator by Galactic. Very cute packaging. Next one is by Defiance Beauty, and it's an infinity liquid eyeliner. I think I'm going to be putting this in a giveaway because we get eyeliners almost monthly from Ipsy, and I'm not hating it because I do use eyeliners a lot. If you guys are interested in knowing about hypoallergenic eyeliners, I did a video recently on those. This one though, I have never seen this kind of geometric packaging in an eyeliner before. It's so unique. No wonder the name is Defiance Beauty. Looks like a brush tip and it's super fine. I don't want to use it because I want to put this in a giveaway. Next item is a good one. Oh my gosh. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt. It's a lengthening and volumizing mascara. Now, this is so interesting to me because we rarely find mascaras that does both lengthening and volumizing. So I am curious because I usually need two mascaras, one for lengthening, and then I add volume with a volumizing mascara. But this one is a 2-in-1. So I think I'm gonna love this. Looking at the bristles already, I think I know I'm gonna love it. And last but not least, we have a huge palette by Wander Beauty, Trailblazer eyeshadow palette. And it looks like this. Every eyeshadow palette I get from Ipsy, I want to keep it. It's so satisfying to me when I swatch eyeshadow colors, and I think I want to keep them for the sake of just swatching eyeshadow colors. Oh, this green is calling me, kind of greenish gold type of eyeshadow. Oh, I love these on my eyes. I feel like this palette is more of a cool tone palette. I'm gonna be putting this in a giveaway because I gravitate towards warmer colors, but Wander Beauty is a good brand, and so I think someone is going to love this. So we have the palette from Boxycharm by Ipsy. We have the Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara, the Galactic exfoliator, the Defiance Beauty eyeliner, and we got the makeup brushes by Ipsy Glam. Yeah, cute brushes, by the way. It's giving leprechaun vibes. So guys, after this video, be on the lookout for a huge giveaway. This is gonna be Terry's Corner 2K giveaway. I cannot wait to show you guys what you could win. If you've made it this far, comment down below what is your favorite item that I unboxed this month, either from the Ipsy Glambag or the Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let's talk about it in the comments down below. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.